Drill
So
Sergeant
we have
Kuroro bike check.
actual bike check. So we have 36 mm, 180 travel, Bolani DH Pro, Kuroro edition limited. The frame is YT Tues limited edition also. Look at that, with aluminum logo here, unlike the other YTs who are sporting paint logo. And the version is YT Tues Sports. We have Saint crank, lightest and the least expensive, Fobno Phantom chainring. We have Z, CNC, KCMC, and then since I can't locate any road bike cogs, so I added goat eye. Now the tires are CST Rockhawk. I am unpredictable Storm Alpha 26 inches rims. Then we have BOS, high speed, low speed compression, rebound here, and it's freaking sporting a TI spring. Brake is MT400, Konitz brake by the way. So we have Z shifter here, Quando front hub, Saint rear hub 150 mm by something, Troaxol. This one is only China phone here. And we have Trovative Bubar. We have headset by Vision. And I think that's all.
DIY tube.
DIY tubeless. Yeah, I forgot. So we have DIY tubeless. Look at that. So it works. There are people who said Jimp works. So Jimpoy. So if you know how to manual, or you know how to manual longer than me, I will listen to you. So if not, screw up. That's it. So we have Councilor George Alinar checking the Badyang Trail. Okay lang Badyang Trail.
So na mga roadblocks, mga upat kabuk, i-clearing lang yan na nato.
Butangan to layat. I think that's all. Let's go. Kay gutom na. On off. Sabi niya basta courtesy of Dong Bones. Okay? Let's go.